What's going on, YouTube fam? Today we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna show you how to build an overhead rig for under $10. Before we build this rig today, let me tell you the reason why I decided to build one in the first place. So I recently got this. Bam! The Bat Space Shuttle. And as I got ready to build it, I thought to myself, how cool would it be to create a time lapse of it from the top? The problem is, I don't have an overhead rig to record from the top. Now, I could of course place my tripod over on the side, but the problem with that is that when you point the camera down on a tripod, you still get the tripod legs that come out in the shot. Now of course the workaround for that would be just to angle the camera sideways, but then you get this funny looking angle. I made this video over on the Honey Pot Wear Instagram account, and when you're looking down at this video, it's an unboxing of glasses. You can't really tell that it's at an angle unless you're really paying attention to those shadows. But in any case, I thought it was time to make a rig. Now, in wanting to build this rig, I took to YouTube, or as one of my friends called it, YouTube University. And then I saw videos, oh, build a rig for under $40. And another one, build a rig under $30. And they were cool. One of them was, you buy a microphone boom stand from Amazon, get an adapter, and it works. It's pretty cool. But as I was looking online, my creative juices were flowing. Now I have to say this. If you know me personally, you know I'm not handy at all. I am not allowed to put things up in my house without congressional approval, aka my wife. I'm known for leaving holes in the wall, but that doesn't stop me anyway, and it shouldn't stop you. So with that said, let's get into this build. And pretty much all I had to buy was the 2x4, which was 12 feet long, along with these electrical clamps, these electrical round clamps. The nails, if you have them at home, you don't have to buy that. That came out to be $8.29, and that's with a 7% sales tax here in Florida, so of course that may vary. I did get a military discount on that, but without the discount, you're looking at spending $9.69 at that 7% tax rate. So this could potentially be cheaper for you if you have lower than 7%, but hopefully still under that $10 mark. But this was the best way to go, so let's see how it works out. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It didn't go quite like I expected it to go or the way I envisioned it, but it still works. And you can't beat the fact that it's a budget overhead rig for under $10. So if you're on a budget, this is perfect. Also, if you're not very handy, no worries. If I was able to do it, I'm sure you will be. But you know, on the flip side of that conversation, if you're very handy, this is going to be incredibly easy for you to make. And if you do, let me know. I'd love to see pictures and how it went, and I'm really excited to use it. I'm going to use it on the Bat Space Shuttle Lego set, so you want to check that out. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified of when I upload new videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. It's Ricalte now. Welcome for under $10. Alright, test 1 2 1 2. Let's get the focus. Alright. Dang it. Alright, right there. All for under $10.